Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a failed transfer on Cash App. If your payment didn't go through, don't worry, I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps to troubleshoot and get it working again. Step 1. Check your balance. The most common reason for a failed transfer is insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough money in your Cash App balance or your linked bank account. Step 2. Verify recipient details. Double check the cash tag, phone number, or email of the person you're sending money to. Also, make sure their account isn't blocked or restricted. Step 3. Confirm your payment method. If you're using a debit or credit card, ensure the information is correct and up to date. No typos in the card number, expiration date, CVV, or billing address. Also check if the card is expired, locked, or declined by your bank. Step 4. Update and clear cache. Make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed. Then go to your phone settings, clear the app's cache and data, or just uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If nothing works, open your Cash App, go to settings and support, and get in touch with their team. You can also visit their official website for more help. And that's it. 5 quick steps to fix a Cash App transfer failed error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.